Next category is regarding pain in different parts of body. Whole body pain, back pain, knee pain, chronic lower back pain, then cervical pain, arthritis, aching legs, and rheumatoid arthritis. Okay, so whole body pain. So body pain, when you have some in your food, in your diet, you use more carbohydrates. So because of that, gas formation is there in your body. And if you have so much gases, then you have body pain. Okay. So wherever you have pain, you have to give massage with mustard seed oil, simultaneously kerosene. So kerosene and mustard seed oil in equal quantity, you have to mix it, vibrate it in front of Shri Mataji, and then you have to use it for massaging. Give massage wherever you have pain, give massage with kerosene and mustard seed oil, and you will get relief. Again, I have to say you that don't eat the sorry, don't eat the food which is under the earth. That is potato, sweet potato, like that. You have to avoid. Then third one, wherever you have pain, you just put your right hand over there, left hand to Shri Mataji, and say Ganesh Atharva Shirsha. And Shula Harini Sakshat Mantra. Shula means the pain. Shula Harini Sakshat Mantra. Then you feel. After that, Ganesh Atharva Shirsha, you feel that the pain is so much relief. If you have back pain, lower back pain, put your both the hands on your lower back and say the mantra. First pray to Shimataji. Shimataji, you are Sakshat Sri Bhagavati. Please look after my lower back. And put your both the hands on lower back and say the mantra. Om Tvameva Sakshat Sri Bhagavati Sakshat Shri Adishakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namaha 6 times. As well as you have to put your both the hands on your lower back, watch towards the sky, and say Brahmadeva Saraswati Sakshat Mantra 6 times, because this problem is because of Swadhisthana, and Swadhisthana has 6 petals. So you have to say 6 times Bhagavati Sakshat Mantra and Brahmadeva Saraswati Sakshat Mantra. Okay. And cervical pain. Cervical pain is coming in Vishuddhi. So you have to clear your Vishuddhi, cervical. You give massage to your cervical also, as well as put ghee camphor in nose. Sometimes you have the allergy of camphor. If you have allergy of camphor, then you can use Ayurveda medicine, that is Ayurveda oil. You will get it in pharmacy. Anu oil. It's called Anu oil or Panchendriya Vardhan oil. So it is good for cervical pain. Then knee pain. Knee pain is knees are coming in our Nabhi, and Nabhi and Swadhisthana includes the Bhavasagara. So you have to clear your void in foot-soak water with Adiguru Dattatraya's names. And give fermentation with hot and cold. First, you have to put ice on your knee, and thereafter immediately hot water on your knee. Then this hot and cold fermentation will help you for your needs. Okay, rheumatoid arthritis. So rheumatoid arthritis also you can put ice on your right swadhisthana and take all the Adiguru Dattatraya's names and Guru Mantra on void, as well as you have to take lemon juice. Take 1 cup of water, put 2 lemons squash in water and put it like that, and after breakfast, after lunch and after dinner you have to drink that lemon water, okay, with some salt. Maybe if you can't eat, it is very sour, then you can mix honey also in it. Okay, so this treatment actually recommended by Sri Mataji. So we have to do it. Hmm? Okay. Now we will go for next category.
Jai Shri Mataji. So this category is so many questions regarding the allergies. Different allergies. Shri Mataji explained this allergy is coming from the liver. So if it is the allergies of food intolerance, that is also the liver cannot digest or assimilate the food properly. And that's why we get this problem. The reason is start from the childhood and at the time of the pregnancy. So when during pregnancy, if the mother is having this what we can say, the hot liver problem, the liverish problem, then generally it transfer to the child and gets the body allergy. So at the time of pregnancy, we have to take care about our diet so that we can prevent all the allergies which are coming to the children. For this, we have to vibrate the food. We can vibrate the food, and we have to find out which food is not actually suits for us, and we have to take care of. But getting rid of these allergies, the best way we have to clear the void. So in the food soap, we have to take 180 of Sri Adiguru Dattatreya, and it will definitely help. But it needs little long time to clear the thing. Now the seasonal allergies, that means the pollen allergy or uh, like that. The pollen allergy are creating the fever or the asthma, and for that we can take the Sri Rama Kavach on the right heart. We put ghee camphor if it is the allergy from the pollen. We have to keep our house clear. We have to keep our lungs clear with the Sri Rama's mantra or Sri Rama's 108 names or Sri Kavach. We have to take it in the foot soap water. Clear, all allergies are coming from the Nabi. So this clearance is always with the Jala Tattva, that's the water element. We are taking the help of water element. So Adiguru Dattatreya has 108 names in foot soap water. The Sri Ramakavach is also in the foot soap water. The insect bite is also, which is creating the allergies, where we have to keep the ice cube on that insect bite area. It will soothe temporarily. But again, when we clear the left channel, then it will more helpful for these toxins which are creating the allergy. There are the insect bite. Temporarily something will happen, but it will not grow into the allergy if we keep our left channel clear. Of course, we have to clear our void at the same time. So it is the left channel clearance and the void. The antibiotics, again, we have to be making ourselves strong to clear our void. Actually, the center heart is also playing a role because it produces the antibodies to our whole body. And if suppose we go against the center heart, that means we have having some fear or insecurities. That time, this antibiotic is actually go worse. Instead of helping, it creates a problem. Sri Mataji says, if there is a need, then only we have to take the antibiotics. Otherwise, better to avoid the antibiotics. Because the name itself says it is anti, that is the against, the biotics means the body. So it is against the body, so try to avoid it. And if there is some allergies or problems, intolerance, we have to clear the void, center heart and the left channel. Jai Shri Mataji. Next slide, please.
Mera.